Welcome. Previously, we introduced the Texture Compressor tool to optimize your assets. In this tutorial, I want to show you a really powerful new feature on how to optimize your GLB files in seconds with Badvisor. From your dashboard, go to the Asset Library by clicking on Assets and click on Upload. Select the asset that you want to import. In this case, I already have one asset that needs to be optimized. Select the asset and click on Open. Wait a couple of seconds until the asset is uploaded, and now you can see it in your list. You can see the current size of the file, and now we click on Edit. On the right side, you can see the 3D asset loading, and on the left, you see the optimization settings. Under the file name, you can still see the size of the asset. If you click below on Optimize Model, you can check the box Draco Compression to reduce the size of the asset itself, but you can also check the Texture Compression. Here, you can input the amount or percentage reduction you want to apply on the quality for the textures and select the extent. You can select between JPG and PNG, but I strongly recommend you to always use WebP. You can also select the texture size and reduce all the textures to the selected side. A side note, this will not upscale any of your textures to the selected size. Now, you can click in Optimize and wait. Again, under the file name, you can now see the optimized size of the asset and the total weight of both assets. If you want to go back to the previous version for any reason, you can always click here and go back to it. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching.